Hi everyone. So we're going to go over week 11 in this video. So week 11, if you take a look here, is focused mainly on working on your editor's introduction, doing peer reviews of it, while also looking ahead to the larger reader's guide assignment, of which the editor's introduction is a major piece. So just want to keep in mind that the editor's introduction is the main piece of writing, the main essay you'll be doing as part of your reader's guide. Your reader's guide acts as an ebook on your topic. So for Monday, you're turning in this editor's introduction fixed up draft, and you want to try to get to 1,000 words for this draft. So you want to build upon and revise what you wrote in the downdraft. If you can get to more than 1,000 words, that's great. Then you're ahead of the game. This draft needs to be in your group's Google folder or you will not get credit for it, and your group will not be able to see it either. So the downdraft that you did should be just its own separate document. Now you want to start another draft in your group Google folder called the editor's introduction, and this will be the one that your group will look at. So if you were to look back at the exercises, the optional exercises from last week to work on your downdraft, these are things you could still continue to do if you are working on that fixed up draft. And you can see that for the downdraft, I have a recommendation that you simply rewrite it into a new document. This is an add new material or content as you write. This is a great way to revise the downdraft. I strongly suggest not just copying and pasting your downdraft into this fixed up draft. So you really want to rewrite the downdraft because the downdraft is supposed to be pretty rough, and you fix it up by rewriting parts of it that you like. I also want you on Monday to review the reader's guide assignment, to get another idea or refresh your idea about how the editor's introduction fits into the larger assignment. And also remember that last week I had posted these reader guide student examples, so it might be a good idea to compare those to the assignment instructions as well. So on Wednesday, you'll need to do a peer response to each of your group members' fixed up draft. So you're responsible for doing only those that have it in the folder. So if it's not there, there's nothing you can do. And you need to use the Google Comments feature and offer 5 comments, each comment according to these instructions here. Okay, so please make sure you're following those instructions. And then on Friday, you have what's called a revision plan. So based on your takeaway from your group members' advice, as well as from reading their own drafts. So, it's very helpful to read other people's drafts as well. What are you planning on revising in your editor's introduction? Okay, so that's a way for you to make a plan for that. And then you also have a studio, a digital design studio. So this is really helpful as we will start to put together the actual reader's guide next week. And so you'll want to be thinking about some of these digital design elements when we are doing that next week. So it's pretty straightforward this week. We're really focused on the editor's introduction. In these drafts, you want to get as much as you can done. So the more you get done now, the less you will have to do later. And please make sure that you are giving a full effort to your group members as you do the peer reviews. Even if you did not turn something in, even if you do not turn a draft in of your fixed up draft, you are still responsible for commenting on your group members' drafts. Okay, so please post any questions that you have, and I hope you all have a great week.